So today, my cat will be doing the video. Will you? No. Get out. Get out. Hello. Welcome to my makeup DIY session. So today I was thinking all the palettes that I loved and I would love to bring to my vacation with me are actually magnetic. And instead of having all these bulky stuff, I thought, why not put everything in a bigger magnetic palette and just, what is this doing here? And I would just be done with it. So first I will remove, of course, everything that I have here. Alright, I cleaned this to the best of my abilities. There's still some glue in there, but these are all the palettes that I really like and that are magnetic. So we have some Nabla single shadows, like in these quads. Then we have the Viseart palettes. One of these is the new like Siren News one. We have the Blooming Groundwork palette from Danessa Myricks, and all the Lisa Eldridge eyeshadows are magnetic, and I really love the formula. Keep in mind, all these are customized palette, like I arranged them as I liked. I cannot give you a name for this, and the same goes for the Viseart palettes. I actually had rearranged these because I was already thinking of bringing this one with me during the holidays. So the first thing I think I will do, I will keep these like super sparkly shades. These are Urban Decay Mundas, and this is from Nabla because, well, first of all, I don't know where to put these otherwise, but also these are special shades and I feel like there's always a place for these. And since we are starting with some, like this one is from Nabla, let's look at these. So these quads, I really love the mattes and some of the shimmers. For example, this satin shade here, like this is like a brownie, like this is the perfect bedroom eyes shade. So I definitely want to put that here. And I'm doing so with a, okay, close this. I'm a bit messy today. I'm gonna use my, oops, I got the wrong one, but I'm also gonna pick this one. Yeah, my head is all over the place today. So this shade here, I will actually have it at the top. And then this one is not actually from Nabla. This is from Sephora. This is Sephora Collection Single Shadow, number 297. And this is a sparkly brown. I mean, you can see why I put these together in the same quad. And always here, I put in this, it's a sort of duochromatic shade. This is from Ensley Rain, and this is a mauve with tons of glitter. And it also looks a bit blue in some light, so I will also keep this one. I will put this together with the shifty shades here. Now I wanna go for, I think, some mattes. Actually, I have this Nabla shade here, this duochromy one. I want to see if I prefer this or the Urban Decay one. I feel like I should just have one of these. So this is the Nabla one and this is the Urban Decay. I think the Nabla is more blue. This is a very old shade, by the way, and you can see how much I used it. Which one would I use more? You know what? This is also very similar to one of the shades in the new palette. This one here. But just right from... Oh, actually, this is very similar to the Nabla one. I think it's a bit less shiny. Which one should I get? Look at my fingers. These look like the same shade. I don't know. I think for now I will leave the Urban Decay in. But then I will decide if I want to have the Nabla or the Viseart one. I feel like the Viseart format is a bit better because it's smaller. And all these are like circles, whatever. So these are my favorite mattes from Nabla. And I could not tell you the name unless it's written. So we will see. So this like taupey brown, yes, it's called Vetiver. vetiver, I don't know. And it's like the perfect transition shade. So I'm gonna have that one here. Then we have this brown, which is called Liquor. This is a deep brown. I love this formula. And this looks so pretty already. I don't know if I want some pink, but we also have this shade Brown Sugar. This should pull a bit more pinker, I think. A bit deeper, actually. Oh, I like that one as well. I will have that one as well, but I'm just gonna move these. Okay, a nice like color range going on. There are a lot of browns for now, and I'm about to add even more, so don't judge me for that. Let's actually go to the Danessa Myricks. There are certain shades here that I absolutely like. I need these. I need this like mauvey shades. This is it's called Smitten, and I'm gonna pick up both the powder and the cream formula. I'm gonna put these here. Yeah, I think I will have a bit of a Tetris going on. I also like this shade Allure, which is always a mauve, but a bit deeper. And this can also be used as blushes. Look how nice they are right there next to each other. And then last one, I think I'm gonna pick up Bliss. Yes, look at this Bliss shade, like this burnt terracotta. Bliss goes here. Oh, I love this arrangement actually. I feel like I can already see some combos that I would never have done because these are like not palettes that I pull out together. Do I also want Evermore? So XO I don't need because it's like this brown, but Evermore, it's like a brownie red. I think that all the shades I have so far are very cool tones. So having some of these like warmer tones can definitely be a good thing. All right, and I'm done for now with the Danessa Myricks. I'm gonna switch over to Lisa Eldridge because she has square pens. Yep, she does, so I can fit them right here. A few of these have shade names, some of these don't. So this is Upper West Side. I'm gonna put it here. Yes, that fits perfectly. And this is my curated eyeshadow palette, so I already know I basically will be going for all of these. So I'm just, yeah, see, this one does not have a shade name, unfortunately. We are not shy with the browns. We have this like blackened brown. And these are also like a cream to powder formula. So I feel like they go together well with the Danessa Myricks. And these two shades, I think this is from one of the palettes that she's not doing anymore. The purpley one, some purple, and this is definitely from the Vega palette, this next one I'm about to pull. I remember it specifically, and this is like a brown, like a gray brown. I'm gonna swatch everything at the end, don't you worry. I really don't know where to put these, so for now I'm just gonna put them randomly. And this shade actually, I wanted to see if it's similar to one of Viseart's shades because I feel like we have something that kind of resembles that. That is, I already tried doing like a smoky eye with that and I loved it, but I feel like it's super similar to this shade from Viseart. And this Viseart one feels less scratchy. Oh, actually, that one is definitely more intense. So which one do I prefer? I think that the Lisa Eldridge one is more approachable for smoky eye. This definitely has a lot of black, and I don't love shades with a lot of a black base. So I think I'm gonna skip that from the Viseart, and I'm gonna pick this one from Lisa. Putting these back will not be the best experience. That is for Lisa. We also have a few other palettes. I'm gonna see if I wanna bring something. Like from this one, I can definitely see how pretty these two are. Oof, these are pretty. Oh, and they go so nicely together. I think I want these. I I just have to be careful because I feel like I'm running out of space super fast. So, but I knew going into this that Lisa and probably Viseart were gonna be the main thing. I'm gonna put these here. Oh no, don't shed. That's not the right word. Oh, I can make it fit. Alright. And also Lisa has this new shade. It's called White Tie. It's like this super sparkly one. But I don't know if I will bring my Space Cowboy from Urban Decay, which achieves sort of this situation. So I'm gonna hold off on that. And then this last palette I have is all warm tones except for this one, but I feel like I'm fine. I'm okay with the cool tones for now. Let's get into the Viseart because this is curated by me and these are all shades that I love. So I don't know how many of these I will actually remove, but I don't know if these fit. First of all, I know that this shade here in the corner is like my favorite transition shade from Viseart, so I'm just gonna have it like here at the top. And same goes for this, basically all these mattes. I'm gonna have them all. I have no self-control. I'm gonna put them in a nice gradient, and these are square, so I think this will help me like have some space. This doesn't fit, so I'm gonna move them here. Alright, these are the mattes. For the shimmers, I definitely need this pinkish one because that's so pretty and I use it all the time. I also need this mauvey brown. These are my favorites from last year's palette. Okay, and then we have some of the shimmers from the new eyeshadow palette, I think. We have these taupes. Ooh, these are so nice. I knew going into this I would not be able to control myself. So hear me out. Let's see what fits, and then I think I will remove a few things. I actually think I can remove something. So I'm gonna put these here, and I think there's space for this here. Is there? Yeah, it strangely, weirdly fit. Yeah, this is a new shade from Viseart, from the new palette. This one, you can see why I like it. I mean, super bright. If I can fit this, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna do what I mentioned. I'm gonna remove a few things. I'm gonna remove this green one, as pretty as this is, and this is the Zodiac. Oh, that's so pretty. But I don't think. Oh man, I want to use it now. Okay, I will remove this then. This is from Nabla, and while it's a nice shade, I think it's a bit crumbly. This is the shade Lychee, by the way. So I'm gonna remove that one. I'm also gonna remove this from Urban Decay, and I will put the equivalent from Viseart because that fits better. So I can move all of these like one row. This, and if I can, like this. All right, and then also the Lisa ones. Yeah, feeling much better about these. Move everything here on the side. All right, and then we have more space here. So I think this fits. Yes, it fits now. And these are Lisa shades. I'm gonna put them with the other Lisa ones, so that I can finish this part with Viseart shades. Alright, so from Viseart, I wanted that duochrome shade, this one here. And, well, first of all, I forgot this matte. I think I don't have this shade, actually. Like this super deep. Yeah, it's not. I don't have anything like this in the palette, so I'm gonna bring it here. I think I'm gonna rearrange them. And then that sparkly shade, like this. Is there anything else I want? I don't know if I want this. Always from Viseart. It's like this beige with the most delicate, like green to blue shift. I have some space, so I think I will just leave it in. Why not? And I like this, but I think I'm gonna just swap this and this. I want to have all the shimmers all together and all the mattes all together. Here we go. I actually think we're done. Yeah, I think we're done. So let me swatch everything so that you can see what I did. I think that this is my dream palette. I know it's too many shades to be just one palette, but oh, I forgot this one. Do I want to do a smoky eye with this? I was speaking off camera. This green zodiac one. This is so pretty, but again, this is like a black base to it. Am I gonna use it? I just don't think it fits the vibe, you know? Like, it's such a pretty pop of color, but I don't think it fits the vibe. But what if I exchanged it for this brown? Is this brown exchangeable? Do I have anything like this? Maybe this or this. Don't really. All right, I want this green in somehow. I'm gonna make it fit. I need it to fit. So let's see if I can have some space, but just playing some Tetris. I think that I can. And these are going up like this and like this. Does this fit now? Yes, it fits. Yes, I have everything I need. And yeah, I know it's not the most organized, but we have everything we need. Okay, let me adjust all these shades I put out. Let me find a place for them somewhere, and I will swatch everything here. I've cleaned this up more or less. I still have some work to do, but this is how the final palette looks. I think it's stunning, if I say so myself. So let's swatch these and see what we're doing. I'm just gonna swatch it row by row. I feel like I will still grab this like in a non-cohesive manner. So we have whole mattes here. Somebody could say, look at this and say that a few look the same, and somebody would be wrong, because clearly they're not. You see, these are patchy. It's only because I am wiping my fingers with a wipe, and it makes them a bit patchy. I hate these wipes, honestly. I hate them. They leave my hands so oily. I hate that. Anyways, then we have some nice sparkly shades. Ooh, man, I like makeup just a tiny bit too much, I think. Ah, that was so satisfying. A nice array of mattes and some super sparkly bombs. This green that I absolutely had to fit. Look at how sparkly that is. I wonder if Urban Decay still makes them. How satisfying is this to look at? But I need to wipe everything away because we're still not done. We have some choices here. Yes, some Lisa Eldridge here. I just wish her shades did not go hard pan so fast. I just wish they didn't. But these are super high quality. I love my Lisa Eldridge shadows. And this is the last part. A lot of this area is more warmer tone. I feel like I have everything I need. I'm also gonna be doing my aunt's makeup for her birthday. So I'm happy that I have a lot of choices, and yeah, I'm overall very happy with this. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think this is like a great essential magnetic palette. I know there are a lot of shades, but I love each one of them dearly. And this was all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will enjoy the other content that is coming out on my channel, because I'm filming a lot lately. And yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe if you aren't. I see you. I see that you aren't. And have good holidays, because I think that this will come out in the holiday time. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Enjoy your time with family and friends. And take care. Bye!